Welcome to Chanel Listening English and Learn. Learn more and more English. English is an important language in the world today. Many people use English to communicate, study, and work. Learning more and more English helps us understand other people and cultures. When we improve our English, we can read books, watch movies, and use the internet more easily. English also gives us better opportunities for education and jobs. By practicing everyday speaking, reading, writing, and listening, we can learn English step by step. Learning more and more English makes our future brighter. Respect. Respect is the foundation of good manners. It means treating others the way you want to be treated. Whether at home, school, or work, showing respect helps build strong relationships. Speak politely, listen when others talk, and avoid interrupting. Respect also includes being mindful of different opinions and cultures. A simple "excuse me" or "thank you" shows you value others. Respecting personal space, being on time, and keeping promises are also important. Online, respect means using kind words and avoiding negative comments. When we respect people, they respect us in return.